gusto na ba bumalik ang Rawi tapos tapusin dito with a kaldag? Yes, ulitin natin.
Magandang beat lang, para may gas na may magandang Rawi.
Oo, may gandang beat. Okay, direct pause and yes, alright. Okay, here we go. Once again, we got right here on Acer Day 2025, Rawi! Yung Acer fam natin nanonood, nag-spike yung internet nila. Grabe yung consume na data, no? Well, Rawi, welcome sa Acer Day 2025.
Thank you very much.
Diyos ko po, sumakit yung likod ko.
Grabe kayo, isang ma'am, napakaltag ko si Kuya Kobe.
Pakanda nung medic ah. Parang naglato-lato ah. Nakakatakot. Okay, bago pa pupunta yung usapan natin sa iba, we just want to congratulate siyempre all of the members of BBB right now. But Rawi, what's one personal barrier that you have recently broken this 2025?
Go, Ralph.
Nice pass.
And then, syempre, for me, stage fright has always been such a big thing. Na palagi akong kinakabahan pag may mga mall show, pag may mga out of town kami ng performance. And now I'm here today sa MOA Arena na kumakanta in front of all of you guys. Parang sobrang big milestone na yun sa akin, Kuya Robby.
Oh, right. This is not just a ball show. This is really the year for Acer, the Acer Day 2025. How about you?
Copy paste.
Thank you!
Alam niyo naman, yung iba siguro po na sobrang introvert ako before. Pero siguro yun yung isang na-break ko na ngayon. I mean, mas naging confident ako sa sarili ko and mas nakilala ko yung sarili ko. Kaya nandito po ako ngayon sa inyong harapan. Nahihingi po ng tulong. Boto niyo po ang PBS Rawi.
Nagkatapos na, pero we are so happy for you guys and we'll be seeing more of stuff coming from Rawi later. Palabaan po natin, Rawi!
Thank you.
Alright.